CBS News Justice correspondent Paula Reid joins us now from Washington with more. Paula, what do prosecutors allege that Ms. Salman actually did?
Well, federal prosecutors say that she aided and abetted her husband's support of ISIS and that she misled law enforcement. But the indictment that was unsealed earlier today really doesn't provide many details to back up those allegations. It did, however, say that she misled local law enforcement and somehow prevented them from conveying accurate information to federal law enforcement who are investigating this shooting.
Paula, so why now? I mean, presumably they've been investigating her ever since the attack on the Pulse nightclub. Why are these charges appearing against her now?
That's a great question, and it's not clear. The FBI, the Department of Justice, they have not said what precipitated this specific arrest. I mean, as you noted, they've been investigating her since this attack occurred, and we know over the course of the investigation, her story has changed. She went from originally saying that she had visited the nightclub with her husband once and that she had gone with him to purchase ammunition. But then as the investigation continued, her story changed, and she even at one point said that she had tried to talk him out of conducting this attack. So it is not clear at this point why federal investigators arrested her early in the morning on a federal holiday. It's incredibly unusual, and it's not clear right now why they chose to arrest her at this time.
So, Paula, how does this work? She's living in California now. Do they expect that she'll be extradited to Florida?
Absolutely. This case is being handled in the Middle District of Florida. That's where this crime occurred. And they reiterated that in court today. They said they intend to bring her to Florida to face trial. Again, this is the only person who's been arrested in this crime. And this crime is the deadliest terror attack on U.S. soil since 9/11.
And Paula, did she say anything in court today?
We had our colleague, John Goodwin. He was in the court hearing in California today. He wrote that she was solemn. She kept her head down. She only said a little bit. But when she spoke with the judge, he says that she spoke politely and quietly. At this point, it is not clear whether or not she can afford a lawyer to represent her.
Paula, I know she's got a young kid. What happens to that kid, and where exactly does this leave this?
The child is about 4 years old. Apparently, he is staying with a family member. He is with his grandmother, and apparently they have told him that mom went to get you some toys. That is reporting that we have from her uncle, who was at the court today.
Paula Reid in Washington reporting for us. Thank you, Paula. I appreciate it.